On Wednesday and Friday mornings, we open for special cases, meaning cases that require a little more time. We are going to show you an example of a patient who is struggling with balance issues and dizziness. A chiropractor's job has always been to analyze, locate, and correct the spine, but recently there is so much research on how it can also affect the brain. Here's an example of immediate improvements on her balance and dizziness following a chiropractic adjustment.
So we always start off by finding out what side is weak and which one needs to be stimulated. As you can see, when she turns her head to the right, it flares her up, she loses her balance, she doesn't feel good. After the adjustment, we recheck her balance, and for the first time in a long time, she's able to bend her head without losing her balance and swaying back and forth.